1, use unit multipliers to convert 42 inches per second to miles per hour. So 42 inches per second is what we're trying to convert. So I'm going to start off by writing out exactly what that is in a fraction. When we see the word per, we're going to put the thing underneath per, or after per, on the bottom. So inches on top, per second on bottom. That positions my units in specific locations in the fraction, top or bottom of the fraction. Now, my goal is to change inches into miles, and I'm going to change seconds into hours, and the green conversion has no effect on the purple conversion and vice versa. Okay, so I can do either one, whichever time I want to do it. So if I want to do inches to miles first and seconds to hours second, I can do that. If I want to do seconds to hours first and miles to, or inches to miles second, I can do it. It doesn't matter what order you do it in, just as long as you do it. So let's just do inches to miles first. I know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot. I'm putting the unit of inch in the denominator for cancellation purposes. Feet in the numerator. 1 foot and 12 inches are the same of value, so they get the same fraction. Then I'm going to want to change feet to miles, so I'm going to put feet on the bottom, miles on top, and I know that 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. Right? And the end result of all this unit multipliers is this inch cancels that inch, 1 on top, 1 on bottom. This foot cancels that foot, 1 on top, 1 on bottom. I'm left with the unit of miles on top, which is what I want, miles on top per hour on bottom. So the unit of miles has been taken care of. I then move on to the unit of hours. I've got seconds currently, and I want hours. Now, again, the position of the unit establishes where I want to put things. I want to get seconds to go away and change to minutes. I'm going to put seconds on top, minutes on the bottom, because I want seconds to cancel seconds. So again, the position of seconds to begin with is on the bottom. The unit of seconds goes on top here for cancellation. The true fact about seconds and minutes is 60 seconds and 1 minute are equivalent to each other. The unit of seconds on the bottom cancels the unit of seconds on top. And now I'm miles per minute. I'm looking for miles per hour, so I got to do another conversion. Again, I want minutes to go away. Currently, minutes is positioned in the denominator. So I put minutes in the numerator, hours in the denominator, and I know 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. This unit of minute cancels that unit of minute. And now looking at my leftovers, I've got miles on top, hours on the bottom, and a bunch of numbers. A little patiently wait for my calculator to open. Maybe I can talk about stuff while it's opening. The green stuff, purple stuff have no effect on each other. There you go. That's something. All right. Oh, let's keep blinking. All right. So, they teach us that at teacher school. You know, how to use up extra time in case you do stuff too quickly. All right. So all together on top, looking at all the numbers on top, I got a 42 on top. Ones don't matter. Times 60 times 60. Right. All that's on top. On bottom, I got a 12 and a 5280 divided by 12 and divided by 5280. Make sure every bottom number is a division, every top number is a multiplication. So altogether, that's what's happening. 42 on top divided by 12 divided by 5280 times 60 equals, comes out to 2.39 miles per hour. You're welcome to write MPH. You can put MI over HR also. So again, it is what it always has been. You just have this extra unit on the bottom to begin with, so you have to, again, where should I put this should come to play. That type of question should enter your brain while you're doing this. Where should I put this? And then again, put the proper facts within each fraction. Equivalent things on top and bottom of each